Hey everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how I made my life vision board. Let's get started. Begin by setting a mood. Make yourself feel calm and serene before you start your vision board. Next, choose a variety of photos that depict your dream life. For me, I chose 11 photos and I separated them into two categories. There's the photos that I definitely needed in my dream life, and then there are photos that would be great add-ons but I didn't necessarily need. That way, if there were too many photos for my dream board, I knew which ones that I could move or choose to take away. The next step is to take a deep look at each photo and question what you actually want from the photo. After you question it, write a letter to yourself addressed to you as if you've already fulfilled it. This is a type of manifestation that they call scripting. Personally, I didn't only write letters to myself or stories to myself. I also wrote lists about things that I wanted to fulfill within that section of my life or within that photo. This part of the vision board is very personal to you and should be done to the best of your ability. Don't rush it. Do what you have to do and really evaluate your dreams and really evaluate what you want out of life. The actual board that I'm doing my vision board on is from Amazon.ca. So I begin by using the most important photo in the center, the thing that I want to center my entire vision around, which is being happy. Everything around that center dream can come in time, but the vision that I absolutely need to fulfill is the center dream. Some of my dreams are to be on the Forbes list, to be able to travel wherever I want to eat healthy, to have a healthy body, to have love of any kind, friendship, family, romantic, financial stability, to have a home office, and to have a clear, clean, and healthy mindset. So I finished out my board by adding some of my already accomplishments to it to remind myself that I'm capable of fulfilling whatever I wanted. I added my graduation sash, I added a rose to represent the love that I already have, and lastly, I added my Bali flight ticket to remind myself that I do have a love for travel and that is something that I do want to fulfill one day. And that's it. Just remember that your vision board is for you. Leave a comment letting me know what your dream life consists of. I'd really love to hear it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.